Good morning. Today I will show you how to make videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts on Canva. So you just open your browser and click, and you're going to type Canva, and then you can open the first one here. This one, when you see this logo, you can just open, just click, and then it will open your page. So now you can see here in this site you see social media. You can press social media. Can you see here on the side is written TikTok video. This is the size of TikTok video, 1080 1920 pixel. Same size for YouTube Shorts. You can use the same one because YouTube Shorts is the same. Okay, so let's create. Also here on the side in this menu you can find, also if you go here and the side here, um, you can create here. It's going to open the same menu. So let's open TikTok video. Can you see that on the side here you have already some templates you can use? I don't know what kind of video you're making. See, if you want to make a motivation video, if you want to make a nature or a video, codes, vlog, food, I don't know what you are. What one? Let's make one motivation video. Okay, you can just click here and it's going to give you a lot of ready templates that you can use, but of course you're not going to use the same. We are going to change now. Let's pick one. I'll pick one that is for free, and just want to explain you something on Canva here. When you see this crown here on the side down, it means is a paid one. You can use only if you subscribe to Canva, but doesn't mean that you need to subscribe. You still can use a lot of Canva without pay, but then you need to change more. You have less options. So let's pick one that is free. I want to show you one free. See, this one is free. This one also is free. This one. Okay, this is paid. See, you can see here. Let's pick this one. This is free. Just press and it's coming on the side here, as you can see. Now, what are we going to do? We will change. We will change the text. Let's make it bigger. You just click, make it and push here, and let's make it bigger a little bit. And let's change. What can we write? um, Love is the most beautiful feeling that we can feel. Please don't laugh. Just I am. I cannot think of, but I'm just. It's just to show you how to do it. You put your own information inside when you want to make videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You can use this one. You can delete. Just press on the top, and you can click here, delete. Okay. Also, this one you can delete. If you have a website already, if you have a website, you can put your website here. You can put the link of your website. Now we will delete. We don't need that. And this one we can leave daily motivation. See, another thing I want to show you here what to do. You can change the text. See, if you don't like this text, you go here on the top and click, and you can change. See, can you see that change inside? See, you can choose another one that you like. Let's leave this one for now because I just want to show you how to do. You leave this one, and if you want, can you see down here? If you want to put an audio for this video, I will show you here. Down, just scroll down and you see audio. Click here. Let's put the audio. Let's write here motivation to see what motivation audio. Let's click. Let's see. Mm, oh, I don't think. Um, let's choose another one. Mm, let's do happy birthday advertisement, piano, corporate music, background, background music. Let's see this one. I think we can use this one. Because by mistake I just pressed before. So what you do to put audio here, okay? You can just click here in the middle, click, and the audio is coming automatically here. Or what you can do, let's delete, just press two fingers and you delete, okay? Or you can do like this. You click on the music and drop down here, okay? I find it better only to click like this, okay? So here you click and you can increase the size. Let me put this one here. Okay. Okay. And now if you click on the music, see, I will show you. To watch this, how it become, just press here. Look how nice. Okay. This is a very short one, but I'm sure yours, you can do it, you do it better. For me, what I'm doing is just a demonstration of what you can do and how you can do. If there is any doubt, you just leave comments. So next time I can make a better video explaining what I miss in this video. I just want to show you here. If you press on the music, on the audio here down, can you see this one up? You can beat. See, if you want, you can press two together. The music will be according to your video. It's really nice. You can test later. I leave like this for now. Volume. Normally I don't put 100. Normally by default it's coming 100. But some musics they are very loud and you cannot even um, hear. If you are talking on the video you cannot hear anything. Normally I put around 10. Some music even I put 1 or 2, but let's leave 18 for this one. Okay, this one you can see later. You don't need to touch for this one now. Later one I will teach you for other tools. Let's see how. See, it's very low. You can put more. You can put louder. Let's put by 60%. See, it is better now. Okay, and if you want to make a video of too many pages, you just add, look at here, add page. Just click, you can add a new page. Then you go here on the top, elements, and you are going to search here on the top. On the search button, you write nature, nature. Um, nature. Then you see the filter here because this is horizontal, sorry, vertical. This is vertical video. So you click here vertical. So all your options that you give you down is vertical. So let's choose videos here. Can you see videos, graphic, photos? We want videos. Let's see also, look at this. This is free. You just click and it's going to appear here automatic. And what you do, you just maximize here to fit to the right size. Okay? And what you do, you want to write another message here. You want to write. So you're going here, text, here, and you're going to add a text box. Can you see? Automatic come text box. And now you write another message, the message you want. Okay, you just put like this because I don't have any message now. I just want to show you how to do. And can you see that it's black, automatic black? If you want to change the color of this text, you go here on this A on the top and you are going to change if you want white. See, now you can see it better. It depends of your video, your background video. You can change any color you want. Okay. Okay. And the same audio. Let's see how it will become now. You understand how to make these videos very simple, and you can make lots of this kind of videos to put on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. And later, when you have too many subscribers, or you will go to that point, you can make money from these accounts. It's very simple. Every day, if you do one step every day, in 1 year, you will see a big difference, and you already start earning money from these accounts. It depends of your imagination, depends of how good you're making these videos. I'm teaching you how to do, but the content is yours. You can put here, you don't need to put this nature video. You can put maybe your own life, your own voice. You can just put some background music, very low, to make it more nice, and that's it. It's gonna be better. But who doesn't like to appear? They want a channel faceless. You can just make this kind of videos. Later, I can help you to make other kind of like food. Um, just leave in the comments what you struggle with. I'll do next video. Now you want share. Share here. Here you want to download. You press here download. Can you see? Download. You are going to download as suggested one MP4 video. Um, Here it's asking you which page you want to download. The first page only. You can have the option to download uh, pages separately, but we don't want. We want the full video. So just put select all. It's automatic. Okay, and you just download. Let's see. I want to show you. It's going to download. It's better to download on desktop, so it's easy for you to find in your desktop. Okay. Can you see that is already open here? I already set to save on desktop. Okay, here you can choose where you want to download, but all the time I choose to download on desktop. So now you save. Okay, that's it. Save your video. Now when you open your TikTok account, you can just upload. Again, if you don't know how to open a TikTok account, how to upload, just leave in the comments. I will make videos regarding to that. Thank you so much for watch this video today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can grow and make more videos for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.